Okay, so good evening, everyone. So today I'll be presenting the OSCN assignment and it will be presented by me, Geoffrey, Kong Jiayu, Wozenan, Hejing, and Xu Jiaxue. Now I'll pass the introduction part to Hejing.
In this talk, we will show how a good network helps a company work better. Our plan is for two-floor office with 20 or 30 employees. It covers both wire and wireless connections. We will discuss the floor plan network setup and the IP address and the ESP network diagram. Our design meet the company's need now and in the future.
Now I will be presenting the floor plan. So this is the floor plan for the first floor, which is the administrative area, and it has a server room where can five servers and contains the main router and the main switch for optimized server connection. And we also have the printing area with two printers and users connection from the switch. Then also the visitor room with can accommodate up to 10 guests and users an access point. And lastly, there are no restroom or water dispensers to avoid the water leakage risk near the servers. This is the floor plan for the floor 2, which is the workstation and the client service area. And we have two meeting rooms, which each have a access point and also a share switch for smooth connectivity. Then we have the client waiting area where have access point for 30 clients and also dedicated switch. Lastly, we have workstation of 5 clusters, which each clusters consists of 6 workstations. Now we have also printing area with have two switches and access point that serve the workstation and printers. Lastly, the pantry have one access point and also the restroom. Now I'll pass it to Jiayu.
So we choose staff topology due to its centralized management and efficiency. By placing the main switch and router in the server room on the first floor, we provide centralized control and management of connectivity across the company. By distributing 6 additional switches strategically throughout various areas, each section can be managed efficiently. This distribution helps reduce network congestion and minimize latency, ensuring optimal performance and connectivity throughout the organization. Next. The star topology offers several advantages, including centralized control and management, scalability and flexibility, fault tolerance, enhanced performance, and improved security. These benefits make it a popular choice for various network setups. However, it also comes with certain limitations, such as a single point of failure, costly expansion, and complex troubleshooting. Addressing these challenges requires careful planning and robust solutions. Looking ahead, future directions for improving star topology involve implementing redundancy, load balancing, and structural cabling to address these limitations and enhance network reliability and efficiency.
So the IP address schema is designed to efficiently allocate IP addresses to different areas within a company. Each area is assigned a specific network ID and subnet mask. The range of IP addresses that can be used within that area. The schema ensures that each area has enough IP addresses there to accommodate its host while minimizing wasted IP addresses. Basically, there are 4 key components: is network ID, which identifies the specific network for an area. The subnet mask determines the size of the network by the specifying which part of the IP address is for the network and which part is for host. The default gateway is the root IP address that the devices use to communicate with other networks. The last one, broadcast ID, is the address used to send data to all devices within the network. So let's talk.
I'm Zenan, and I will show our network diagram, which was designed by the star topology. Next. We have used different colors to show different parts of our network. For example, anything in green is our server room, the blue areas are our workstation for daily tasks. At the heart of this diagram is the main switch is crucial because it connects all our smaller networks and devices to the main router and then connects to us in the internet through our ISP. Next, let's say how things are set up for the two slow. Next. On the fourth floor, we have two main switches here, which one connects to our server room and powers the 5 servers which handle our database and applications, which is used for our printing needs and guest Wi-Fi in visitor room. It connects 2 printers and server AC to help our employees and guests stay connection. Next station. And next station is a second floor. It is a little bit more complex here. There are multiple switches to ensure that we have everything covered. And this switches manages our connection to workstation printers and further AC spread across meeting rooms, pantries, and the waiting area. We ensure that each location has reach for everyone to easily plug in or connected wirelessly. Every part of our network is carefully placed to provide perfect speed and reliability, ensuring we stay connected to no matter where we are. That's all.
Okay, so now I will share the network diagram and demonstrate it. So we have workstation 1. We will ping it to workstation 2, 127. Okay, so we can see that there is a pinging happening, and also we'll ping it to the printer, which is 122. Okay, so this also works, and then we'll ping it to the server 1, which is the 3.3. Okay, so it works. And lastly, we'll also do the ping and trace it for the last workstation at the another switch 144. Okay, so the ping works, and also we'll do the tracer also for this one. Okay, so it can work. So now we'll conclude our presentation. Okay, so the conclusion is this proposed network design can address this company and needs effectively, and it utilizes star topology for effective and scalable infrastructures, and it also provides sufficient connection. And then it also satisfies the needs and for the first floor, administrative floor, and also the floor 2, the workstation 4. And lastly, this has a basis for future network architectural growth and a strong built-in fault tolerance. And lastly, it also supports the present requirements and also enables future and expansions. That's it for our presentation. Thank you.